perfect wireless 65% gaming mechanical keyboard, the Royal Kludge RK G68 RK837 is one of the best 65% mechanical keyboards out there. Why choose 65%? Because it is mini, portable, easy to carry, and of course, reduce the desktop space usage. The backlight modes are selectable for your different playing needs. It has 5 levels of brightness and flowing speed adjustable for any cases. This keyboard is a dream. Both my fingers and ears are satisfied. It has a great typing experience. And I also love the fact that it can be used in Mac devices. So if you want a minimalist and a cozy setup, buy the Royal Kludge keyboard. Lights up and enjoy your own RGB vibe. Thank you for watching.